Hello friends, welcome to SlideHunt with C programming video tutorial. In this tutorial, I am going to teach you how to reverse a string and then check whether the given string is palindrome or not. First, we see how to reverse a string. Here we take a string India and the string is stored to the character array string. We need two variables. One is I, which points to the first element of the string, and another is j, which points to the last element of the string. So now I equal to 0 and j equal to 4. Next we swap the characters till the value of I is less than j. So we can write the condition as while I less than j. If this condition is true, then we swap these two characters. First we copy this character to a temporary variable temp. So we can write it as temp equal to string of I. Then we copy string of j to string of I. And we can write it as string of I equal to string of j. Then we copy temp to string of j. Then we increment the value of I by 1 and decrement the value of j by 1. So now I equal to 1 and j equal to 3. Then we check this condition again. 1 is less than 3, so this condition is true. Then we perform these operations again. Copy n to temp, then I to n, and then temp to string of j. Then increment the value of I by 1 and decrement the value of j by 1. Now the value of I and j both is true. So this condition is false and the operation is terminated. So the reverse string is this. Input string was India and after reversing we get AIDNI. Let's move to the coding. Here first we declare a character array that hold the input string. So I am going to write here char string and the size of the array is 100. And we need a temporary variable, that is temp. We need two integer type variables that will hold the first and last position of the string. So I'm going to declare here int I and j. Next I'm going to ask user to enter a string. Printf please enter a string. Next we need to read the input string. So I'm going to write here scanf %s and then ampersand string. Next we initialize I equal to 0 and j equal to string length minus 1. To find the string length, here we use strlen function. And within parentheses write the string name, that is string, then minus 1. Since array element number from 0, that's why we decrement the length by 1. Next we swap the characters. So I'm going to write here temp equal to string of I, then string of I equal to string of j, then string of j equal to temp. Then we increment the value of I by 1 and then decrement the value of j by 1. We perform this operation till the value of I is less than j. So we can write the condition as while within parentheses I less than j. Give here the starting braces and here closing braces. Next we print the reverse string. So I am going to write here printf reverse string is %s and then a new line, and here we reverse string. Let's check the output. Compile and run. I am going to enter A, B, C, D, E and the reverse string is EDBCA. Next we check the given string is palindrome or not. So first we know what is a palindrome string. If the reverse of a string is equal to the original string, then we can call it a palindrome string. For example, here we take a string madam. If we reverse this string, we get the same string also. So we can say madam is a palindrome string. Let's move to the coding section. Here we declare another character array, original, and its size is 100. Before reverse the string, we copy the input string to another character array. To copy the string, we use the function strcpy, and the syntax of the function is strcpy, and within parentheses first write the destination string, means where you want to copy, that is original, and then source string, that is string. Our next task is, after reversing the string, we need to check it is equal to original string or not. To compare two strings, we use here strcmp function, and the syntax of the function is strcmp, and within the parentheses write the two string that you want to compare. Here I want to compare original and string. If all the characters are matched, then it returns a 0. So I am going to write here if equal to 0. If this condition is true, means all characters are matched, then we can say it is a palindrome string. So I am going to write here printf %s is a palindrome string, and here we refer original, else it is not. I am going to copy it and paste here. I am going to write here %s is not a palindrome string. Let's check the output. Compile and run. It asking for a string. I am going to enter madam. Reverse string is madam, and madam is a palindrome string. Let's check it for another string. Compile and run. Enter a string. I am going to enter hello. Reverse string is OLLEH. Hello is not a palindrome string, because original string and the reverse string are not same. So hello is not a palindrome string. That's it. Hope you understand. If you have any doubt, please comment on the video, and if you have any suggestion, please tell us. Thanks for watching. To watch more videos, please subscribe this channel SlideHunt. You can like my Facebook page at www.facebook.com/SlideHunt, and you can follow me on Google Plus at www.google.com/+SlideHunt.